When you think of linear equations, you may think of something like this at first. Linear equations deal with constant change over same time intervals, such as walking 5 feet in a second. Your distance traveled can be modeled by y equals 5x, which means if you plug in x seconds, you get how far you moved in that time. Say you want to find how far you walked in 10 seconds, you'd do y equals 5, 10 equals 50 feet. Linear systems are present everywhere in our lives: calculating forces, finding the most efficient prices, supply-demand, calculus to find rate of change. Everything comes down to linear systems and equations if you go far enough. Having a greater understanding of basic algebra and linear equations can really help you succeed in mathematics. Let's start with a basic topic, then build up from there. X and y intercepts are points where the graph intersects with the x or y axis. You can find this by substituting either x or y with 0 to find y or x intercepts respectively. The standard form for linear equation is f of x equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. Let's take an equation, f of x equals 3x over 5 plus 5. To find the y-intercept, we start by setting x to be 0. After solving the equation, we get the point 0.5. Likewise, you can also find the x-intercept by setting the y to 0. Going throughout the same process as before, we get negative 25/3, or approximately minus 8.3. These simple things appear in real life quite a lot, with the y-intercept showing the initial condition, and the x-intercept usually showing time. Remember, in real life you cannot have negative time, so graphs will usually appear with only the positive side of the x-intercept. For example, you can model the average height in inches of a person at x years old by using a simple function, f of x equals 2.4 plus 18. We can see the y-intercept by substituting 0 for x, which results in 18, which is also the average length of a baby when born. That covers the basics of linear equations. Next time, I will show how to solve system of equations and an introduction to quadratics.